Okay, whose turn is it now?
Rose.
All right, Rose, your turn.
Oh.
Oh, careful.
I back up and line.
Good job. You both do good job.
More milk.
Let's see. Aubree, look, is it ready? Look in there.
No. Yes.
Is it melted? Should we start the cheese packs?
Yeah. That's not.
Okay, pour it in.
Means no. What about me? I'm not.
Huh?
And then I take turn.
You're next.
Yeah. My turn.
You.
Yeah.
Okay, put it in there. Okay, stir.
Oh, I take touch it. Grandma, I just touch it.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
Oh, good.
Then I'm bad. Then I feel bad.
Yeah? Is it Rose's turn now?
Not yet.
Not yet?
But 30 minutes tell you that works.
30 minutes?
Yeah.
Okay, I think it's time to put the other one in.
No fair.
We got more stuff to put in. Go ahead, put that in.
There's more. Bag. Mom, I help you, Grandma.
Are you?
Yeah, that's the one that's her. We helping her.
What are you making?
No.
Some mac and cheese?
Yeah.
Yeah. With cheesy noodles?
Yeah.
Feel good?
Yeah.
You think it's time for milk?
Yes. Milk.
What about you? Time to put the milk in?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay, okay, put the milk in. All the way. Okay, stir it up. What are you doing, Aubree?
I'm making everything. Jelly. No, I'm not jelly. Look, be careful. Don't spill it. Okay? No, you're not. Put in. Good job. Turn it up. Stir it up.
Gotta stir it good.
What about me? I take the edible. Over.
See how Rose is doing it? That's how you're gonna do
Over. Not me. I take it every Grandma.
it. You guys will get your turns.
Up, over. Right?
Yes.
That you do.
Okay.
Not that. Right?
Right. Can you let Aubree have time to do up over?
Not yet.
Not yet?
It takes you so long.
Is it so long?
Yes. Long. You're lying. Up and over. Up and over. Up and over. Up and over.
Rose, you're a good teacher.
Huh?
You taught her how to do that. You're a very good teacher.
And my hair.
Well, don't push.